Good day, everyone. My name is Jason Kid El Sanaro, and I'm here to present my presentation. On the title of my presentation is Gender and Work. Gender and Work: Understanding Gender Dynamics in Workplace. Introduction. What is gender? Gender refers to the roles, behavior, and attributes that society associate with being male or female. Gender identity can be different from biological sex. Why is gender important in the workplace? Gender influence job opportunity, career advancement, and workplace culture. Gender equality benefits both individuals and businesses. Um, Gender jud important siya jud sa workplace because alangan naman pod ang babae mabutang dito sa budigahan nya ang lalaki na sa opisina. This is gayo, di ba? Dapat fair treatment jud kayo, like ibutang jud sa lugar ang ug asa dapita ang babae ug asa dapita ang lalaki. Gender roles in the workplace. Traditional gender roles. Men often expected to be leaders, assertive, and take on high status roles. Women often expected to be caregivers, nurturing, and may face pressure to balance work and family. Impact of gender roles. Gender stereotypes can limit career choice and advancement from both men and women. Certain roles and industries are still preserved as more suitable for one gender over another. Women in healthcare, men engineering. Gender equality in the workplace. The pay gap. Women on average earn less than men for the same work. Factors. Gender discrimination, occupational segregation, and difference in negotiation, leadership presentation. Women are underrepresented in senior leadership roles and boardrooms. Men dominate higher paying position and executive roles. Workplace discrimination. Gender bias and harassment can affect women and men, often leading to unequal treatment in hiring, promotion, and daily interaction. Yes, lisod jud kayo no kung ang usa ka kumpanya mo discriminate og gender kay kanang maglisod jud ang mga tao jud mo musud kay tungod nalagi daw na ay kanang gender discrimination ba, di ka dapat mahusudan ng kuana kumpanya kay kanang babae ka nga lahi iba, you know what is my you know what diba na magun sa akong gipasabot nga ang babae nahimong tumboy din bayot ni sudog kanang gay ni sulod og kanang sana usa ka kumpanya din ang usa ka kumpanya na discrimination mo discriminate og kanang LGBTQ mo nakalisod. Achieving gender equality in the workplace. Equal pay for equal work. Ensuring that all employees are paid fairly for the same job regardless on gender. Transparency in salary and promotion processes. Nagibutan na workplace. Equality in the workplace. Equal pay for equal work. Ensuring that employees are paid fairly. Dapat daw ang employee ganang fair siya nga gisildoan bisag same sila o job kay tungod mo naday for example nagdungan sila lisod sa gayo nagdungan sila sud yang katong usa nagdungan sila sa usa ka kampanya, nagdungan sila ka-hire niya din. Niya din ang usa dako ay sweldo, ang usa gamay, lisod po kayo, dili na fair. Dapat same sila, depende raw sa promotion, sa processes nila sa ilang kumpanya. Exclusive hiring practice encourage hiring based on skill and experience rather than gender. Promote diversity in recruitment to ensure a balanced representation of gender, family, and parental support. Offering flexible work hours, parental leave, and support work-life balance for all employees. Gender roles and workplace culture, breaking stereotypes. Challenge traditional gender norms that dictate what roles men and women can hold in the workplace. Encourage diverse leadership styles and perspective. Promoting respect and inclusion, develop a workplace culture that values diversity, inclusivity, and mutual respect among all genders. Anti-harassment policy and clear procedure for reporting misconduct. Benefits of gender equality in the workplace. Enhance productivity, diverse teams bring different perspective and ideas, leading to the better problem solving and innovation. Improve employee satisfaction, a fair and exclusive work environment, increase employee morale and loyalty, attracting top talent. Companies that promote gender equality are more attractive to job seeker. Yes, attractive yung kayo kung ang usa ka kumpanya mo promote og gender equality. Kay di man jud tanang gender nga nag-usab og kanang kon like gay or part sa LGBTQ. Dili man jud kasagaran na sila ha. Mga skill ka, daghan kayog skill nga nahibaw-an. Especially those looking for exclusive and progressive workplace. What we can do: raise awareness, educate employees and leaders about the importance of gender equality and unconscious bias. Encourage equal opportunity, create mentorship programs, leadership training, and initiatives for both men and women to grow professionally. Support gender diversity initiative. Activity support and participate in programs that promote gender equality at work, such as flexible working arrangement or leadership development programs for women. Key takeaways: gender equality benefits individual, businesses, and society. Challenging traditional gender roles and biases help create a more exclusive and productive workplace. Hello guys, done ako sa pag-present sa akong PowerPoint, and I hope na may nasabtan sa akong presentation. Comment down below guys kung okay ra ba yung pag-present, and if may nakita ako ng negative na kuan, I will practice my speaking English and my presentation, my PowerPoint. Thank you.